here we are back in beautiful Portugal, where the smell of pastéis de nata fills the air and the sea accompanies your every step. I'm Irene from the Starlights, and I'm gonna take you for a walk in Lisbon today. We can do the bus tour next time, but for now let's enjoy the local scenery, which is beautiful. This is one of the first tourist streets you see after you exit the port, and there are restaurants all over the place, but I suggest walking a little bit more. For example, if you keep going down the street, you can find these really famous canned goods shops that are popular in Lisbon, and I haven't done my research on them, but I see a lot of people getting in and out of these shops. As for us, we kept going up, and as you can see, it's a bit of a hike to reach the central square, but you can do it. These little cars are so cute, but no time to stop. We need to look for places to get some essentials for the ship. For those who don't know, we are a variety duo working on cruise ships. I am the singer, Irini, and he's the pianist, Petros, but more of this in our next videos. For now, let's just focus in Lisbon and the cute little cars. You can tell this place smells like Christmas, because the dough, the honey, the sugar that mixes in the air, oh my god, it smells amazingly. I wish I could transfer the smell somehow through this video, but it's not possible. Who knows, AI is moving fast. Anyway, we're gonna follow Petros as he's trying to look for a shirt for his piano sets, and we decided to get into this mansion looking place. It is huge, it is beautiful, and I've never seen anything like it before, because this is, believe it or not, a Zara.
So I'm filming this because it looks like a high-end store, but it's actually a Zara, and it's really cool because it's in this really cool place. I've never seen a Zara like that before. Awesome.
Look how happy he looks now that he found his shirt. Okay, go try it.
Πώς φαίνεται. Ωραίο, ένα αυτό που κάνουμε σου είναι.
Κούκλος.
Ωραία, εντάξει.
Ναι.
Hello? We're looking good today, aren't we? And now we're going to do something that I've been waiting for the whole day. I've been looking forward to this for the whole week, and it's time to show it and share it with you. And we're gonna stop at Fabrica Nata, where they sell pastéis de nata, the best thing in Lisbon.
We are in pastéis de nata, or this is what we're going to eat, which looks brilliant if you ask me, and I love it. So we got a sweet one. I've tried this before, I'm not gonna lie, it's the best thing in the world. And we got something different this time. We got some salty ones with cheese and bacon, and this is a croquette with meat. I have no idea what meat it is, but we don't question. We just eat the food, which looks pretty good. So we're gonna try this pastéis de nata. Petros, you wanna eat first?
Yeah, you're gonna eat first.
No, you're gonna eat first.
Okay.
And this is how the next 10 minutes went. We kept eating and eating and eating until everything disappeared from the plates, and I have to say we couldn't enjoy it more. It was amazing. We loved the sweet one the best, me and Petros, and we're definitely going there again next time we dock in Lisbon. But now back to walking around the cute car again, which I really love, and something I discovered along the way. Natal do Rocio, which is a Christmas village in Lisbon.
So this is my friend here in Portugal. Let's call him Rodrigo. Hello, Rodrigo. And he's waiting for Christmas to come, as we are in the Lisbon Christmas village. Woo! This looks amazing, guys.
It's a YouTube.
Maybe.
Oh my god.
I don't know, but you look very beautiful. So
As the jingle bell, as the jingle bell rocks.
So we just had a wonderful time in Lisbon. It was beautiful. It's such a beautiful place. It usually is rainy here when we come. I don't know, maybe it's because the cruise ships we sign on to are usually here during the autumn or spring season, so it's not always sunny. But right now the sun is out and it's just beautiful.
So we decided to take a stroll around the square, and you can actually get here very, very easily. When you exit the cruise terminal, just follow the sea and you'll eventually reach the square after 7 or so minutes. It is a magical walk, and I suggest you do that too. It is beautiful. I leave that square for the end because I can usually make that circle that I just showed you in this video, see a little bit of everything, and be back at the port in time. This is our beautiful cruise ship, Cunard's Queen Anne, the newest one, and I couldn't be happier working here. It is just beautiful. If you see us in your schedule, the Starlights or the Starlight Duo, just come around and say hello. We'll be really happy to greet you, to talk a little bit. We are both from Greece, and I bet if you're a cruiser, you've been there before. I hope that you liked it. I hope that you liked this video. And I'm gonna say good night with Jesus on the mountain shining above you. Good night.